Welcome to today's video, where we'll be reviewing the Karcher Car Shampoo. Car washing is an essential part of maintaining the appearance and condition of your vehicle. And with so many car shampoos available in the market, it can be overwhelming to choose the right one. That's where Karcher comes in, with its specially formulated car shampoo designed to clean your car without damaging its paintwork. Now, let's dive into the details of the Karcher Car Shampoo. Ingredients and formulation. Karcher's Car Shampoo is a pH-neutral formula, which means that it's neither too acidic nor too alkaline, making it gentle on your car's paintwork. It's also biodegradable, making it eco-friendly and safe for the environment. The formula contains high-quality surfactants that work together to lift dirt, grime, and other contaminants from your car's surface, leaving it clean and shiny. Usage and dilution. Karcher Car Shampoo is easy to use and can be applied using a variety of methods, including a pressure washer or a bucket and sponge. The product comes with instructions on how to dilute the solution depending on the method you choose. For example, if you're using a bucket and sponge, you'll need to dilute the solution with water. Whereas if you are using a pressure washer, you can use the solution undiluted. Performance and results. We tested the Karcher Car Shampoo on a variety of vehicles, including cars, subs, and trucks, to see how it performed. The results were impressive, as the shampoo effectively removed dirt, grime, and other contaminants from the vehicle surface, leaving it looking clean and shiny. We also noticed that the shampoo didn't leave any streaks or spots, which is a common problem with other car shampoos. Scent and appearance. The Karcher Car Shampoo has a pleasant, citrusy scent that's not too overpowering. We also noticed that the shampoo produces a lot of foam, which makes it easier to apply to your car's surface and ensures that it covers all areas evenly. The foam also helps to loosen and remove dirt and grime, making the cleaning process more effective. Price and value for money. The Karcher Car Shampoo is priced competitively, making it an excellent value for money option. The product is available in various sizes, ranging from a small bottle to a large container, depending on your needs. The larger containers offer better value for money, as they can be used to wash multiple cars, making them ideal for car detailing businesses. We hope you found our in-depth review helpful and informative. Comment below if you have any questions about this review or explanation. Thanks for watching.